Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by securing data and immediately identify the ad source. Backup photos and documents so you can change settings without risk. Next, check where ads appear in the browser, within apps, or as system pop-ups, because each source needs a different fix. Enable developer options and USB debugging only if you'll use a DB, otherwise proceed with app-level steps. Once done, uninstall or restrict culprit apps. Make sure to note app names and recent installs as you go. Now focus on app-based advertising. Uninstall any recent or unknown apps and disable apps that can show overlays. This stops most intrusive pop-ups. Then inspect app permissions in settings to revoke draw over other apps and notification access from apps that misuse them. Install a browser with built-in ad blocking or a VPN-based ad blocker to filter web ads across apps. Once configured, reboot the tablet and test. Make sure to monitor behavior for a day to confirm ads are gone. Finish with deeper system fixes if ads persist. First, consider a DB uninstall of persistent adware packages only if you're comfortable with command line. This removes system-level offenders without root. If that feels risky, a factory reset is the reliable last resort. Restore your data selectively afterwards. If ads still appear, document the ad content, app names, and timestamps and scan with a mobile antivirus. One key troubleshooting tip. Safe mode can isolate whether third-party apps cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.